To access the fuel pump on a 2009 Nissan Rogue, you can get to it from the back seat. They actually did make an access port. So there's your fill, and it's going to be right around here. You're going to need to get underneath the seat. Some people say you have to take these bolts out, or that bolt, to remove the seats on this side and then do the same on the other. But you don't have to do that. You just got to come down here and then find the thing, get on each side of it, and just pull up. It's in there good. Do that on both sides to get the seat up, and then it'll kind of seat like that. I folded it there, and then get it out of the way. So then to get to the pump, you have these 4 little screw notches that hold in this cover plate. These 2 are underneath there, so you're gonna have to come in with like a pliers and turn them, and then get those out of the way, and then you can lift up on here. Be careful, and then you can get under there to access the fuel pump. Yeah, better, a lot easier than having to drill, cut a hole in it, and then be careful with that. But that's how you access it. These things just turn to hold that in place. So that's how you get to the fuel pump to change it without dropping the tank on a Rogue.